So I'm back with my new topic. So your topic is invest upon your learning before it's too late. First of all, we have to understand what is the learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, new understanding, new behavior, new skills, new values, and preferences help you to take a wise decisions and a better person and better trait adding in your life to compete everywhere where you are in and where you want to go. So it is very important about learning every step. So why it is really important to invest in yourself? Investment is what? Investment is this whenever you purchase of something, investing of the purchase of the goods that are not using, maybe not you are not going to consume it right now. You are learning that thing or investing today, but you are taking the benefit in the near future and to create your wealth, to create your importance. This is really important investment. You have to invest for yourself become so that you will become a good asset and everybody learn from you and everybody use you to take your asset wherever you are working on it. And you when you become a good asset, so you are getting the good working as a wealth for your company, and your value will be increasing because you have a good skills to lead your company and taking a wise decisions for your team, for your company, so that they will go higher where they want to go it, and you are become a part of that company for that organization. So first of all, it is very important not only for you are working in an outfit, it is very important to skill yourself, upgrade yourself, invest in your own learning, because if you are doing the same thing, one day will come when you started boring, and when you will start boring, then you will not enjoy anything. Ultimately you are going to create a negativity around you. You are not getting a good environment and healthy environment, and you are not able to give the same to others. So ultimately it will create a mess. So you have to always work on it to learning everywhere, so that you will not feel weak, you will not feel you will not feel uncomfortable, you will not feel like inferior whether you are going and whom you are meeting it. So investing is very important, so that either you are working or not, it doesn't mean you are worthless. No, it doesn't mean you don't know. If you are working, if you are taking a decision to work as a homemaker, which means you are a very capable, good manager to lead your family, to manage your family. But you have to upgrade yourself, because if you are you take as your home as a company, if you want to get a good output and good result from that, you have to invest in it every day, every month, and analyzing all the things. This will increase your knowledge, increase your empowerment, which is similarly happen at home. If you want to create a very good healthy family, for that you have to investing for your own learning, so that you will show your creativity, your art and your talent from in front of your family. And you whenever you are going, then you will get the first prize, because you are good to leading your family, giving the good education, giving the good knowledge about the food, healthy food, unhealthy food, everything. So invest upon in your own self, which means that you are learning whatever you have a niche. So you have to first of all set your niche, set your goal, and either it is a short term and the long term. Start from the short term goal, which will help you to complete in the given deadline, and then you accomplish it, then you appreciate and gratitude, show your gratitude towards your achievement, accomplishment, and then working set another goal. This way you enjoy your day-to-day life, and you will see how much you are positive and you are a great person to share the happiness in other life and share the positive affirmation which you have in your own. It will help you to share the others too. Everybody get the inspiration from you to live your life. So investment is very important if you want to give a great knowledge to your child. For that you have to always update about the day-to-day news. Syllabus will come, so you have to always upgrade it yourself, because your learning will help you to grab the good things solely, and it will help you to teach a greatly for your to teach your child. And learning will never stop. It doesn't matter whatever the age in are you in, either it is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Age is just number. You learn your ability, your heart will say no. If it will work, so which means that you, and it will also work, so both things will help you to live your life and always make you younger. So investment is very important about your making yourself a better person, a greater person, so that whoever you talk, you have a great knowledge and you have a great advising to give them and lead your life, and the others make them others life better. Sometimes we will play the motivation person who give those are not capable to making a wise decision. You are giving the way. You are not going to tell them, you are just giving the way and telling them what to do and what not to do. They will decide it, because ultimately the decision should be there, should be for them, should be important to taking their decision by their own. You are not going to giving the spoon feeding, you are going to teach them how to do it. So this is the way you add the value of others' life too. It is really important investing in yourself, because this way you always feel confident, self-independent, always feel positive and make the environment positive. Never ever fight with anyone, because this will make you a wiser person, and wiser person never argument about anything. And it give you a good personality, which means that you are become a very humble person, so that every person wants to be with you and learn from you, the way you are speak, the way you are answer it, the way you are dealing it. It is really important. Nobody can easily deal with the inversion situation, but you know how to deal with it. So this will help you to taking a wiser decision in the situation which is not in your favor. So ultimately always updating yourself, because this is a mind and it is a machine. If you are not feeding regularly and not giving a good food to regularly, it will be one day it will be junked and stop working on it, and then you are not a act as a human, you will become a monster. So if you want to lead your life, you have to invest yourself to become a wiser person, and investing will help you. Investing is kind of the food which you are giving to your machine, so that it will work properly till the last day of your life in this planet. Hope you enjoy the topic, what I make you understand it. So always appreciate yourself, enjoy whatever you are doing here, and always investing yourself, because you are a better version of your own, and you want to become a more better person of a more best person, so that everybody want to learn this art of living from you. Till then, bye bye. I will back with new topic, new ideas. Till